In China, the Napa cabbage soup is very often part of meals. It is delicious, healthy, and easy to prepare from a meat broth. Here, we put chicken meatballs in it. Here are the ingredients for 4 people. Start by preparing the chicken for the meatballs. Remove the skin and the bone from the 2 thighs. Keep the bones for the broth. Cut the flesh into chunks. Peel 1 garlic clove. Blend them together. Put them in a bowl. Add 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of ground pepper, 2 teaspoons of fish sauce, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. Combine. Let rest while preparing the other ingredients. Prepare 1 teaspoon of small dry shrimp. They will give a umami flavor. Cut 1 onion in half. 5 grams of cilantro into sections. 1 Napa cabbage in half. Wash it. Cut it into chunks. Remove the little hard part. In a saucepan with 2 liters of boiling water, put the chicken bones, the small dry shrimp, the onion, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce. Make the chicken meatballs and put them directly in the broth. It helps make them by putting a little oil on the glove. Then add the Napa cabbage. Let's simmer with the lid on medium-low heat for 20 minutes. Halfway through cooking, stir once. After 20 minutes, turn off the heat. Serve a bowl for each guest. Sprinkle some cilantro. Our meal is composed of jasmine rice, a vegetable and pulled chicken salad, some kimchi, and this Napa cabbage and chicken meatball soup. Bon appétit! Napa cabbage is mild and soft. The chicken meatballs have a chewy texture. Thank you for watching and sharing my video. See you at the next homemade dish.